Microsoft Outlook provides multiple ways to mark emails as important or urgent. Understanding priority levels is essential for effective email management. Follow up flags provide another way to organize emails by deadline and importance. Each flag color represents a different time frame for action. In Outlook Desktop, setting priority is straightforward. When composing a new email, go to the Options tab and select either High Importance or Low Importance. In the Outlook web app, access priority settings through the Compose window. Click More Options, represented by three dots, then select Set Importance to choose high or low priority. On Outlook Mobile, priority setting is equally accessible. In the Compose window, look for the priority icon and tap it to select high or low priority for your email. Using priority levels and flags ensures critical emails receive prompt attention, improving overall productivity. These visual indicators help you and your recipients quickly identify what needs immediate action versus what can wait. Microsoft is revolutionizing email management by integrating artificial intelligence directly into Outlook. The Focused Inbox feature uses advanced machine learning algorithms to automatically identify and sort your most important emails. The Focused Inbox automatically separates your important emails from less critical messages, learning from your behavior patterns to improve accuracy over time. To maximize email efficiency, experts recommend following key best practices. First, establish clear organizational standards for priority usage across your entire team. Second, limit high priority emails to truly urgent items. Research shows that high priority should represent less than 10% of all emails to maintain effectiveness. Third, combine email flags with calendar integration for effective deadline management. This creates a unified system for tracking both communications and scheduled tasks. For organizations, implementing automated systems can significantly streamline email management. Group policy settings ensure consistent priority options across all users. Exchange rules can automatically assign priorities based on sender, subject keywords, or other criteria, reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency. Organizations that implement standardized priority guidelines and provide regular user education see significant improvements in email processing efficiency, with studies showing up to 38% better performance. By combining artificial intelligence capabilities with proven best practices, organizations can transform their email management from a time-consuming burden into an efficient, automated system that enhances productivity across the entire team.